Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on the $MORI token, the native token of Moonveil Studio. We'll provide a brief overview of the token and the studio, highlighting the token's purpose and potential, but always remember the importance of understanding the risks involved in crypto investments. Oh, what exactly is $MORI? Well, it's the native token of Moonveil Studio with utility that includes governance voting rights, access to exclusive content and features, opportunities for staking rewards, and even discounts within the Moonveil ecosystem. Crucially, it has a defined tokenomic structure, including its total supply, distribution breakdown across team, marketing, and other facets, and a built-in burning mechanism if one exists. Now, let's talk about Moonveil Studio. It is focused on building Web3 games and crafting immersive metaverse experiences. They have a series of current and upcoming projects, all tied to a long-term vision within the blockchain space. The $MORI token matters because it's deeply integrated into the Moonveil ecosystem. It's community-driven, meaning the community plays a key role in shaping both the token and the studio. There's also potential for price appreciation as the project gains success and wider adoption. Currently, MEXC Global is the primary centralized exchange for $MORI. MEXC offers several benefits, including robust liquidity, security features, and a user-friendly interface. While MEXC is the primary option, there might be other potential exchanges to consider, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. If you're looking to buy $MORI on MEXC Global, the process is straightforward. First, you'll need to create a MEXC account and complete their KYC verification. Then, deposit funds like USDT, navigate to the $MORI/USDT trading pair, place a buy order, choosing either a market or limit order, and finally, confirm the transaction. Make sure to keep an eye out for visual aids, like screenshots or videos to help you through the process, and always remember the importance of 2FA and secure password management for security. Understanding the blockchain that underlies $MORI is vital. It operates on a specific blockchain, for example, Ethereum or BNB chain. It may also utilize as a Layer 2 solution. If so, you'll want to know which L2 chain is being used, such as Polygon, Arbitrum, or Optimism. Layer 2 solutions offer benefits like faster transactions and lower fees, and it's important to understand how to bridge tokens to and from that particular L2 chain. ETs talk about the Token Generation Event, or TGE, and launch details. The TGE date is when $MORI was initially offered. The initial listing price of $MORI at launch is a key data point. And equally important is the initial circulating supply at TGE, giving you an idea of market dynamics. Finally, a brief recap of the TGE event and launch. It's crucial to be aware of the risks and considerations. Crypto markets are volatile, and there are inherent risks associated with the success of Moonveil Studio itself. Potential regulatory changes could also impact the token, and it's therefore vital to do your own research before investing. In conclusion, $MORI offers potential tied to Moonveil Studio's vision. We encourage you to do further research and engage with the Moonveil community. Check out MEXC to explore buying $MORI, and follow Moonveil Studio's social media channels to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.